Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan says his children are currently busy with their studies and are too young to decide on joining Bollywood. Shah Rukh, like another concerned father, wants his kids to finish their studies first.
My children don't have, I think they're too young to decide on becoming actors now. And it's unfortunate that I have to explain it because they have to study. I think they have to finish their studies first, and I'm very clear about that. They are very clear about that. And also, having said that, an actor's son or daughter need not be an actor. They might be pursuing a career in journalism with CNN IVN. So they might want to do that. I leave it to them, but I think the first part of my job with my children is to educate them to a level that they make the right decision as to what profession they want. At this point in time, there is no talk of Abraham, the least of them, to become an actor, or Aryan to become an actor, or Suhana to be an actor.
Bollywood Basha Shah Rukh Khan was in Delhi for the launch of a real estate company's new luxury housing collection. On the work front, Khan said the shooting of Dilwale will most probably begin in June, and he's very excited to team up with Kajol after a long time.
And Dilwale, yes, it's very exciting to be back with Kajol. I still haven't got time to go and thank her for being part of the film. But we will start inshallah in June, and it'll be very nice. It'll be very good to work with Rohit. I've not worked with Kajol since My Name is Khan, and it's always exciting. She's my warmest, closest friend. We've done some really nice cinema together, and hope we are able to recreate that kind of cinema with Dilwale again with Rohit.
Asked whether Shah Rukh will have his favorite fish curry in Kolkata with West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee if his IPL team KKR wins again, this is what he said.
Just go to Kolkata and have fish with her, but it's not fish curry. I think it's a fried fish fried. Yeah. It's very tasty there. So I go there and have it whenever I get the time. But it's not just got to do with the team. It's just got to do with the hospitality. So I'd love to go and have it whenever I get. I really like it.
Powered by NNIS.